Yes, people, I'm back in the kitchen again. Joby's kitchen. Today, what I'm gonna cook? Some brown stew fish. See it over here? Seasoned already. Porgy fish. And see over seasoning, tomato, onion, scallion, sweet pepper, carrot, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, and the jalapeno pepper. I'm gonna make some juice, some green juice. This is the string bean and cucumber and ginger. This is our seasoning we're going to use. Maggi, Badia seasoning, pimento seed, black pepper, chili red pepper, and this is our fish and meat seasoning with white rice. Yes guys, we're cutting up our seasoning. Yes guys, this is the season for the fish over here. And we're going to cut up our string bean and cucumber for the juice. This, you know, making the juice. This right here on the string bean, this must not cut. This come like a medicine, so you must not cut off this. Yes, people, see it here, see our green juice, string bean with cucumber juice over there. And we're going to start fry fish now, put in the pepper to burn and the garlic. I'm going to put in our fish. Turn our fish to the other side. This is the pepper. We need oil. Yes guys, we want to put in our onion and the garlic. Put a little water in here for the carrot to cook. Here we're going to put in our fish and meat sauce. I'll put a little bit of Walker's Oat jerk seasoning. put in the ketchup. A little country crab butter. Yes guys, we're putting the fish them now. Yes guys, this is the final dish. Our brown stew fish with white rice. Our vegetable right here. String bean juice with cucumber. Remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. And we'll catch you in the next video.